Welcome to Discover Your Positivity. Today we'll be practicing a powerful and energizing breathing technique called Breath of Fire. This technique involves rapid, rhythmic breathing through the nose, with equal emphasis on both the inhale and exhale. You will be breathing through the nose only, using your diaphragm, a muscle located at the base of your lungs. When you breathe, you should feel your stomach expanding outward with each inhale and contracting inward with each exhale. This indicates that your diaphragm is actively pushing air in and out. Breath of Fire helps detoxify your body, increase mental clarity, and boost your energy levels. This session will get more difficult the further you go in. You can complete the full session or stop at any level you choose. If you're pregnant, have high blood pressure, or any respiratory issues, please consult your healthcare provider before practicing. Let's get started. Sit comfortably with your spine straight. Place your hands on your knees, palms up. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths through your nose. Now let's practice for 2 minutes. Start with slow, deep breaths. Inhale for about 2 seconds and exhale for 2 seconds. Like this. Focus on your diaphragm moving up and down. Begin. Great. Time for 3 minutes of moderate pace. Inhale and exhale for about 1 second each. Keep the rhythm steady and use your diaphragm. Begin. Incredible work. Let's speed up to a faster pace. Inhale and exhale quickly, aiming for about 0.5 seconds each. Maintain a rhythmic flow for 2 minutes. Go. Amazing job. Slow your breathing back to a normal pace. Take a few deep, calming breaths. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining this Breath of Fire practice. Have a wonderful day.